Hello everyone. So in the previous classes, we have learned how to create the homepage, courses, and marketplace page. Now in this lecture, we will learn how can we create the support page. So in order to create the support page, we will now go to Anti-Gravity and create and design the UI of the support page. Okay. Next, in take reference of the home page and the product pages. Then in the support page, we want to add three options. First, email, that is contact or maybe support at the rate webotep.com. Then WhatsApp +9121600093. Then support ticket creation. Okay. First, design the UI. Now we will switch the model from Gemini Flash to Gemini 3.1 Pro, and then we will hit the enter button. Next, we will go to NeonDB. I think NeonDB is still not working over here. Let me go to the neondb.com, neon.com. Yes, I can see that it is still not working. So we have to create another table called support. And in the support table, we want to insert the details of the tickets. Okay, let me now go to the home page and click on support once again. And yes, lazy loading is also working fine. We just have to wait for some more time. Courses, then marketplace. I think you can even see the speed of this project. All the pages are loading within a fraction of a second, right? And then the details from the database are being fetched. So at first, let us design the UI of this page, and then we will make the UI workable. Perfect. So reach out directly. This is the email ID. This is the support phone number for WhatsApp, and then some quick help articles. We can open a ticket as well. Name, email address, subject, and message. All right. So create a table in DB for addressing the support queries. Support queries with status as well. Also add option to add attachment in the ticket form. Okay, make the form dynamic. And then we will now be switching to Gemini 3.0 Flash because we don't have to make any design. The Flash can easily create the logics, it can easily create the SQL commands, and then it will make this form workable. Let us wait for a few more minutes. We will go to this file, migrate support tickets, and here we can see it has now created a new table called support underscore tickets with ID, user ID, name, email, subject, message, attachment, status, and created it. Okay, so there might be some issues with this one. Let us check how it works. So once we complete the front end, then we will make the backend. First, we have the home, then we have the courses. We can easily create the courses from the database itself. Then we have the marketplace. Then we have the support. So once uh, the individual pages, now what is left in this project is that we have to make the enroll now button. Then we have to make the add to cart button. We have to make the functionalities of the enroll now and add to cart. And then I think the support has already been done. Let us see. We will wait for some more minutes. Okay, so let us now reload the page. And then let me write my name. The test, and we will add a new file over here. Let us click on the submit. We can see failed to submit the ticket. Please try again. For status, use a nice pop-up. So here we can use sweet alert or something like that, but I'm not giving any specific instruction. Let the AI decide which product to be used. Even we can go and click on the inspect and then go to console. We can go to console and we can see that support ticket failed, request failed with status 500. We can copy this URL and give it to the AI. Next, we have to make the cart page. Here we have to add the cart so that the users can easily buy the product or the course from this website. Okay, let us now simply write a name. We have to wait for some more time. Let us wait and watch. Even here we can see that 500 internal server error. This is why we are not able to create the ticket. Let us reload the page. Okay, so let us now reload the page. We can see this issue. Simply let us paste the issue over here. And there is some unexpected token inside pages / support.jsx. We will accept it. Working fine. It is now loading fine. We will now go here, fill up the form. And then we will submit it. Okay, so submission failed, invalid input type syntax for type integer, this one. So we will copy it and paste it in our chat box. Okay, now it is working fine because I have now logged out and this is why it was working fine. Let us create an account. We have to do some more changes on this account creation page. The dashboard is not working. We will now go to the front end directly, and then we will go to support, and then add a file over here, then submit the ticket. Yes, it is now working perfect. Okay, so next we have to create the function for purchasing this course, and we also have to make the function to purchase these products. Okay, then thank you everyone. We will meet in the next lecture.